Hey guys, so this is the second video of the day and we will be solving the second question from NeetCode150, which is on valid anagram. So first we need to understand what an anagram is. Basically, according to the definition, it's a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Okay, so basically, it's like you have one word and you can use only those number of letters. You can't add other letters. You can't decrease them. It has to be that. Okay. These are some examples, and if it's anagram, it will return true. If not, then it will return false. So the first thing we need to check is the length, basically. So if length of both the strings is not equal, we will return false. Now, the best way to approach this question would be to use a hash table, because that stores the frequency, the number of each letters are stored in the hash table, right? So first we will create a dictionary, an empty dictionary called count. Then we will iterate a string s, and if that letter is already there in count, we will simply add 1 to it. So if C in count C plus equal to 1. If not, then we will give the value 1 to it. Okay. Nice. Next, we will compare it with the other letters. So for C and T, why we are doing the other iteration, it's because now we have to remove, like first you have, for example, let's take colors. Now you have 2 blues and 1 yellow. If you'll remove 2 blues from the basket, 1 yellow will be there, right? So similarly, you have to check. Now first you have inputted in the hash table, now you're removing it. So for C and T, if C is not there in count, we will of course return false. Like the letter in T is not present in the hash table. So the program gets over here. Now we will check if it's there. We will decrement the value of it. And the moment it returns to 0, if the count of C becomes 0, we will delete that from the table. Okay. So lastly, we will return true. So we will put length of count equal to 0. So that's the program for valid anagram. Now let's try running it. Okay, it has been accepted. I'll submit it. Great. So that's the solution for this. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment and suggest me to, explain you better, or whatever doubts you have, just approach me. And yeah, I will upload my GitHub link below in the description. And thank you.